In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files via Dropbox with a step-by-step 2025 tutorial. We'll break down each step to ensure you can share your files seamlessly, whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sending important documents to clients, or just sharing some photos with friends and family. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading to dropbox.com. Once the web page loads, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen prompts, which is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page where all your files and folders are displayed. Take a moment to navigate to the specific file or folder you want to share. Make sure it's the right one to avoid any confusion down the line. With your desired file or folder in sight, hover your mouse over it and you'll notice a few options appear. Look for the share button, which is typically illustrated by an icon of a person with a plus sign next to it. Give that a click and you'll see a menu with different sharing options presented to you. Here you have the choice between inviting people directly or creating a shareable link. If you opt to invite people, you'll need to enter their email addresses in the field provided. It's a good idea to double check these to prevent any sharing errors. Next, you'll set permissions for the recipients. You can choose between can view and can edit, depending on how much control you want them to have over the file. When you're ready, click the Share File button, and Dropbox will send an invitation to the email addresses you've entered. Alternatively, if a direct email invitation is not necessary, you might prefer to create a link. This method is particularly useful for mass sharing or when the recipient doesn't need to be notified via email. Simply click the Copy Link button, which will copy the link to your clipboard, ready for you to paste it into an email, message, or chat. Whether you choose to invite people or share a link, the process is intuitive and designed for efficiency. Once you've clicked Share File or copied the link, that's it. You're done with the sharing process. Your files are now accessible to your chosen audience, and they can view or edit them based on the permissions you set. This means you can sit back and relax knowing your files are safely shared through a secure platform. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to share files using Dropbox. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident using Dropbox for all your file sharing needs in the future. Thanks for watching and